Everyone, I'm Amir and I will be showing you a quick tour of ProfitWallet mobile application. ProfitWallet is an e-wallet which helps people to reach their saving goals. Let's start with a quick onboarding process. As you can see here, I designed an automatic onboarding process so users can get familiar with the main functionality of the application. So they can either see the onboarding process automatically or click on next to get to the last screen. Let's proceed to sign up process. So the sign up process is usually very long for e-wallets and banking apps. So I designed this a step-by-step process where users just give the information one by one in each page. This is to reduce the cognitive load and to make sure that the user is on the right path. So after entering the mobile number, they will get a code. So they will enter the 4-digit code to verify their mobile number. Then they choose the country of residence. Next step, they must enter their legal name and then choose the date of birth. After that, they can get access to the application. And as you can see here, this is the home or the dashboard screen of the application where users can see the account balance here, or they can hide or unhide the account balance if they need to. They have access to this menu where they can change some settings. They have access to the quick transfer, which is a feature to send or request money to the recent contacts, and they can see the recent activities here. So they have the opportunity to filter or search for a specific activity or transaction. Next, I would like to show you the wallet page and how to add a card. So here users can see the list of the cards that they already have and some settings for each card. Let's add a card and tap on this add button. So here users can either add a card or link a bank account. Let's proceed with the add a card. In this screen, users must enter the card number and click on continue. Next, they must enter the expiry date of the credit or debit card. And the next they have to enter the CVV code or the security code of the card. And in next step they can see an overview of the information that they put. They can also change the theme of the card or choose a different design for the card. And when the information is correct, they can tap on the add card, and they can see with this animated progress bar that the card is successfully added. Next, I would like to show you the transfer feature of the app. So here from the transfer, they can either choose a contact from the list. So this list is based on the recent contacts. They can also search for a phone number or an ID or an email address here, or they can use the QR code functionality on top of the screen. So they can either send to a QR code or they can generate a QR code to request money. So let's proceed with an example here. Users can choose either to send or request money. We will choose send at the moment, so they can see the picture of the contact and they can enter the amount of money that they want to send, and they can add a note for that too if they want to write anything about the transaction. Then they will get a verification code on the registered mobile number. They must enter the verification code. Again, you can see that they can see that the amount of money and the name of the contact is on top of the screen. Next, they will verify it with the code, and you can see that they get a confirmation that the transaction was completed. Here they have the opportunity to share the receipt with the contact. The next thing that I want to show you is the specific feature for ProfitWallet, as I call it, Moneybox. So here is the screen of Moneybox. So the concept is that the users can create different boxes and they can save for different purposes and for different goals. So again, just like the list of the cards in the wallet, they can see a list of boxes here. And again, with the add button. So I try to have this consistent add button in the whole project. So they can add a box here, and then they can choose if they want to create a personal or a group box. So the group box are when people can share a box and each person can contribute to the box, and personal boxes are individual boxes for each user. So when they choose a personal box, they can give it an image just to be motivated and just to recognize it better and easier in the future. So they can give it a picture, and they should also give it a name. So this name can be the goal of the saving or a name for the box. Next, they should set a goal for the box. So how much do they want to save in this box for this specific goal or purpose? They will enter the goal here, and then they can also set a deadline for that. So it helps them be motivated, and it helps them to see if they are on track, if they can reach to their goal on time. Next, they can add fund to the box. So this fund will be transferred from their wallet to the box. And next, they can also activate the recurring transfer. So the recurring transfer is an automatic transfer, which user can choose a cycle for that, like monthly or 3 months or weekly. And they can also enter amount, and the app does it automatically for users. So the user doesn't need to be worried about saving or remember it if they activate this feature. So the app does it automatically for the user. So in each cycle, the app will transfer the amount of this amount of money from the wallet to the box. And next, they can see an overview of the box, if the information is correct, if everything is correct, and they can click on create box. And after that, they will get a confirmation that the box is created, and they can see the box here in the list of boxes here. So they can choose each box, and they can change also the settings for each box. I would like to thank you for your attention and wish you a very nice day.